Welcome to the house.
In the future, we would also like to offer lap diamonds.
Swiping cards and stacking chips. I saw you sinking ships. Let me stand in the pouring rain. Now about a heavy diamond chain. My pocket's getting thicker. The watch is moving quicker. Money talk is much
kui
louder.
te mõtlete, miks nii väsinud näod, siis eile õhtul vist oli elu kõige spontaansem ja randomim välja jooma minek üldse. Aga jah, päris lõbus õhtu oli ja väga huvitavad jutuajamised olid nende vendadega. Täiesti catfish.
Ma ei ole valmis seda rääkima.
Good morning.
Hello, I'm Cyrilla, in charge of your order. This is my company. Welcome to
Your company.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go inside.
This is my
Ni hao.
office area and
Norman, nice to meet you.
Markus.
Want to sit down? Okay. Drink some tea? But I'm saying like drinking.
Ütleme nii, et kui helgem ei ole olla.
we can do the big one. It's just for some cent per here.
Me tahtsime, et vaata need, näiteks see bracelet tuleb selle plastiku selle seest, kus on see kile, vaata, et see nagu fitiks siia sisse, et see on nagu see protective case.
This size maybe hold the line. 那个大的可能就是10乘10乘2，凹度都是一样的。哦，11。
Järgmine lokatsioon, läheme jewelry tüübi juurde ja eks me siis ole näha, mis seal toimub. Hello. Oh, siin on need cheap jewelry. Ni hao, ni hao. Okay, everybody's so quiet. Jewelry. Nii, kõht on täis, nüüd on veel rohkem väsinud olla ja nüüd me hakkame siin väikest tuuri tegema siin company's. Marcus.
So, have you ever considered about tennis?
Well, in the future, we'd also like to offer like lap diamond options for people. But I know like usually lap diamond jewelry, the factories, they don't produce in stock. It's also like usually always like custom made.
Yes.
Nii, Hõiss juba vana contenti mehena, see on, võttis kõik ohjad enda kätte, hakkab seal majandama juba. Kupatas nende kohapealse professionaalse fotograafi oma tööpostilt minema ja parkis ennast sinna asemele. Segatsin mees tahab rahulikult tööd teha, sina kupatsid ta minema siit. Packaging Factory'st jah, palusime, et nad jätaks seda materjali natukene nagu üle ka, et me saaksime kasutada seda kuskil nagu foto ja video taustana. Is Estonian language funny to you?
A little bit.
Most of the people think we're Russians.
But you're way more handsome than Russians, to be honest.
Thank you. No nii, lõpuks jõudsime shipping agenti juurde. And õhtu juba käes, on väljas pime. Me tulime natuke hiljem, nii et nüüd nad teevad meie pärast ületunde.
Yeah, contact the WeChat user.
Hõiss üritab omale lõpuks peale 5 nädalat WeChati teha. Kui sa tahad WeChati accounti, siis sind peab keegi kohalik Chinese mainland user peab sind verifyma. Hoidke käest kinni.
See on paha olla sitada.
WeChati isa sisse, Warehouse'i isa sisse. It's the wrong one.
Yeah. Sorry,
Nii asi, kui tulime penkile külla, see kus juures on nagu maa-alune parkla ja pargid oma auto siia ja lähme vist lähed tuppa. Yo, welcome. Welcome to the house.
Thank
you very much. Oh, it's a kind of... What? You got a lift? Bro, what the hell? Bro, you got a big ass TV, like what's...
Big ass TV.
What?
And this thing.
Bro, you're rich?
Yeah, something like this.
Bro is secretly rich.
I'm thinking rich, but I know you.
What?
Bro, Estonians love sauna. Like, we're the #1 sauna people.
here, number one on the TV.
Really?
And you're gonna like this, but this,
You never used it?
I never used it.
I'd actually.
That's for,
Damn.
there's some drinks.
Yo.
Damn.
Bro, you're rich or what? What's going?
I sold a lot. I sold a lot because my dad's issues, you know.
Yeah,
I sold a lot. That's the multi I was talking about. Show this to my Estonian friends, you know. The best drinks in China, the best one. You know, I'm gonna show this to you. One sec. Here's, look at the 53% of alcohol. Multi.
What's in the jar?
Wasn't just some weird stuff I don't know. Some Chinese
Probably been
medicine.
here for like 20 years.
Yeah.
Chinese medicine, yeah. Bro, what?
Coolest looking house.
That's the. Bro, what?
Pool needs living. I want.
tere, see näeb tegelikult actually äge välja olema, mis sa nagu näed.
Okay,
That's the food I'm gonna show you some. Okay. Look at that. That's pig's leg. So those are teas.
Nice.
We got some more upstairs. Have you heard about mahjong?
The game?
Yeah, that's the thing.
Oh, we're definitely gonna play this.
Mahjong.
I don't know how to play it,
Yeah,
but.
but you're gonna learn it in
Siuke korralik poissmehe korter, noh.
reaalselt nagu man cave.
Täiesti.
Do you guys wanna just go upstairs?
4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You got 4 floors in here?
Yeah, in the basement.
What? Hell, bro.
It's literally like a penthouse.
Yeah, kind of.
Nothing
Not flexing, but.
Nothing too crazy.
This is your room, yeah?
You can use this one right here.
This is your room?
Yeah, my room. A little mouse.
No worries.
Alright.
Okay.
That's how a proper man's room needs to look.
Alright, ciao guys.
Alright, I'm
Get out.
One sec. So
It's gonna take me like 50 minutes.
Bling del Barrio basis. Proper Chinese dinner table. It goes around like this as well.
over here.
Oh,
Let's go.
got it.
Oh, that's my ID. That's the place I've been to in the States. That's my high school. And my
Oh, you went to high school as well.
in US, and that's the resident permit in for UK.
Your dad looks like a proper businessman.
Yeah, it is.
Like you can see in his eyes, he's been through some shit. Oh, you got some Jim Beam over here. This used to be my drink back in the day when I was like 17. Never want to go back to those times.
Martell, Hennessy, VSOP, and Hennessy XO.
Okay, let's check out what's in the Chinese fridge. It's pretty basic. Quite similar to an Estonian fridge. Like on the lower departments you have like the fruits, the vegetables.
It's not a normal egg. That's
Yeah,
something you guys.
The rotten egg.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I want to try.
How do you say this?
Roots. Some kind of roots.
Yeah, some kind of root. It's for soup. Oh, that's the things you like. That's the thing you're talking about.
Oh, the sweet
Cantonese
sausage. Yeah, right. That's my favorite. I'm probably gonna cry for 10 minutes if I ever. Got some kind of view from here? Not really. That's when you know someone's rich if they got automatic curtains. I can play a song called Train Ride. World's first telephone.
telephone.
Invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Is this original?
But those wood are legit made wood, you know, this heavy as fuck. Those wood.
Tuleb transition, kuidas ois tuli kaka alt. Peng just told the vlog that he's the most amazing cook in all of China. He showed me pictures what he's cooking on a daily basis.
Some ribeye steak.
Oh, I can do that.
Really?
Yeah.
You have?
I don't have, but I can do that. I can cook.
Ma arvasin, et meie
That's the most famous Chinese steak.
I tried it.
Zhonghua. One of the best.
Ooh.
That's like a tea place.
Damn.
Dang, bro. noh, see vend teenib mingi 1500 kuus, ta on mingi reisinud seal maja ringi, mingi $300 meie Malcolm Hiina.
See on ta papsi oma.
See on ta papsi oma teinud.
Minu arust see on tema nimel.
Aga ühesõnaga me tulime 4. smoking room'i. Siis ma ei tea, tehakse neid joone vaatamise ja see ta on hädas. Siin juuakse teed ja tehakse sigaret. Ja meil on view ka päris hea. Can we
Bro, you got it.
For
I asked you if you got a view, you said no. It's a pretty decent view in my book.
Yeah, I think I break something. I already took my blanket open.
Okay, I have a plan. Let's move here, make this house be like an e-commerce business house. We all live
It
here.
actually would be like crazy as fuck.
Train here every day, work hard, make a lot of money.
I got you.
What are these, some old Chinese scrolls? Okei, vlog, nüüd me teeme siis Dragon Warriori, Kung Fu Panda Dragon Warriori saladused lahti. Siin on mingid saladused.
Siin on kirjas.
Hold on. 世上无失真 I don't know.
No, you got it all wrong. 我是味道熟悉东来。我们是上树的是上上。我们来往同行是娃娃。What's up, Beijing? Loud and proud and sing down to ding. Pole paha noh. Siuke aus lambist noh. Meil on mingi pool avastamata ka veel noh. Käisime esimesel, teisel ja nüüd tulime 4., 3. vist ei käinud. Teisele ka vist ei käinud või? Võib-olla käisime, ma ei tea. Aga igatahes jah. Joome nüüd veits teed. Võib-olla natukene viskiga segamini. Let's see. Arno Tali ka siin juba kooli jõudnud.
Arno.
On, kui sa mütsi peas võtad, siis on siuke pai-poisi soeng. You're watching a master at work.
Täiesti.
Nice tea.
No nii, mis saladused sealt praegu?
Proper Chinese tea, yeah.
I don't know if you like this kind of tea or not. It tastes different.
Tegelikult siin käib vesi ka, aga noh. Siis muidu tuleb vaba. Selle võlu on või mis selle nagu maitse on see kogemus, see on kuidas seda ette valmistab, kõik need tööriistad, et istub sellise laua taga nagu.
See on jaes, see on merg kuidagi ka.
Ja meie kodus ikka teeme teed, lihtsalt viskame selle teepaki sisse kiiresti, mis on nii teepakk ülikahjulik ka, vaata.
But for like those traditional tea, we don't do it like that, you know.
It's disrespecting the tea.
It's like putting pineapple on pizza for Italian, you know.
Wow.
Make sure everything's clean and nice.
Ikka mingi plekid peal.
Peavad olema kõige populaarsem Hiina suits, Shanghai Tobacco ehk siis ossa ja siin on nagu duublisse pandud, vaata. 2 eraldi pakki.
Yeah, it's quite expensive for Chinese cigarettes. Most of Chinese cigarettes are like $5 USDs, maybe less than that, $2-3 USDs, but that one is 10.
Ja läheb Eesti freestyle peale ja ma joome siin teed ja ma joon teed veel.
Alright, cheers guys. I hope you have a nice future, everybody. You're gonna be successful one day.
Cheers to the housemaster.
Cheers.
Welcoming to us.
Thank you for reminding us. Vaata, teega on samamoodi nagu on veega, et kui sa väga nagu vett ei jood, siis sa väga ei tee nagu vee maitsetel vahet, aga kui sa oled palju vett, siis sa nagu saad aru, et värskal on üks maitse, Bourgognil teine, mingi Selver veel, mida iganes teega, minust täpselt sama. See on nagu mingi hullud special tee, Hiina tee, mingid igasugu asju sisse mõelda, aga minust maitseb täpselt samamoodi nagu kõik teed nagu.
Ei, ta on ikka siuke mõru kuidagi, sa nagu tunned siukest
aga maitse
nagu orgaanilisust siin sees minu arust ikka.
Ja, aga maitse on just ikka nagu sama nagu kõik need tavalised rohelised mustad teed on. Aga tea, mis siin veel teeb sulle huvitav see, et sa ei joo nagu suurest sellest kruusist, vaid sa võtad nagu shotidega.
No tee joomine see ongi nagu, see ei ole actually, et sul on vaja seda kuuma vett juua, või noh, selles suhtes ega see kestabki kaua, nagu sa istudki mitu tundi siin laua taga, teed tobi ja räägid businessist ja kogu aeg fill up'id.
Our president, Xi Jinping.
I know, bro, I know what's good, you know.
So all the tobacco companies are owned by the state, and the highest head of state can promote his own products. Smart as hell. Nii, plaan on siis praegu, et lähme mingisugusesse ägedasse fried rice restorani, kus pidi olema kõige parem fried rice üldse Hiinas, according to Beng. Ja seal pidi mingi äge nagu siuke kokkamis nagu show ka olema, see kokk mingi loobib seda rice'i seal panni peale, mingid leegid lendavad ja nii, et lähme vaatame. No nii, jõudsime kohale, oma vaimu silmas miski pärast mõtlesin, et see on mingi high-end resto, aga see on täiesti mingi tänavaäärne koht, aga low-key sülkestes kohtades ongi kõige parem food.
Hello.
Nii hao.
坐一下。
See vend on see jõhker vend, kes teeb seda riisi. Praegu ta naine kukib, aga ta tuleb siia ja näitab meile, kuidas asjad käivad.
Rice or noodle?
Rice. With beef. Or what?
They don't got beef.
They got the Canton sausage?
Yeah, they got Canton sausage right here.
I take noodles.
They have this rice noodle. Rice noodle.
我中国
She can put more.
中国菜了，
中国是最好的国家。
最安全的国家。
Safe.
Let's see.
欧洲。你的英文说的了吗？
我之前在国外。
你是哪里啊？
我住在附近。
He should start making TikToks.
Yeah, he's making it. He usually has like a phone.
Yeah, I see. You got the camera stand. Bossman ütles, et teeb meile tasuta selle toidu. Et tal on suur au meile seda teha, et välismaalastele niimoodi, et shout out Bossman.
Sa ütlesid, kui sa taksojuhile 10 juani tippi andsid, et see tuleb ringiga tagasi ja no näed.
Täna meil oli ülitore taksojuht ka, üritas täiega mingi vigases inglise keeles meiega suhelda ja oli ülirõõmus ja tore ja siis küsis, kas me võiksime talle hea review jätta ja siis ma panin talle hea review, pluss ma panin talle 10 tippi ja ütlesin, et Good Karmat tahaks ja no vot, juba tuli tagasi Good Karmana. Nii, toit ise näeb süke välja, väga nice näeb välja, vitsinuudlid, tegi meile veel mingi
põhimõtteliselt see on riis tegelikult, see on põhimõtteliselt riis, riisinuudlid.
谢谢，
谢谢你们，谢谢你们，
Alright, bye bye.
欢迎再来中国。
我爱中国。No nii, mingi järgmine üllatus tuleb jälle. Arvake ära 5 korda, mida me nüüd vaatama lähme. Ehk siis Bengil on koduloomade rähigelt kilpkonnasid.
What's this? Turtles.
You got names? You got names for them?
No, I don't got names. Oh, bro, like baby ones.
Damn, that's cute.
Can I hold?
Yeah.
No, bro, it's gonna...
That's a Japan.
no nii, nüüd teeme väiksed veinid. Kuhu iganes ka elu ei too, noh. Kui ikka äri teed, siis ikka kohtud ikka täiesti üks inimestega, noh. Ikka worth it, noh. Riski on palju, stressi on palju, aga noh, selliste hetkede nimel me seda teemegi. On ju, Eis?
Jep.